CDECK is an innovative range of outdoor decking manufactured in Portugal. Designed to offer comfort, safety and durability, it is a composite decking solution that adapts to any project. With up to 25 years of warranty, it is a complete solution with a wide range of profiles and accessories that can be installed on any type of surface, level or uneven, drillable or not, and even in areas where it is necessary to raise the floor height. Thanks to its unique and patented quick fix system, installation is up to 3 times faster. CDECK also stands out for its ease of maintenance. It requires no oiling or varnishing. A regular wash is all it takes to keep it looking great over time. If you ever need to access the surface below the decking for maintenance or deep cleaning, the boards can be removed individually, making the entire process simple and practical, so you can quickly get back to enjoying your CDECK.